Halloween box unboxing today. I also got some cat litter and some crinkly balls. These things. And my little kitten likes them. My cat kind of still don't like them, but anyway. So yeah. Figured we get them some spooky treats for spectacular Halloween. Well, go over there to the side so we don't spoil our fun. Okay. So first there is these toys are like these little batting around toys. There's a vampire and a bat and some candy corn. I think my cat's playing in the big box over there. This is what our team from. That over there. And then we have a Halloween fancy pumpkin cushion kicker. Oh, it's a silica pack. It's cute little pumpkins, crinkly stuff in the bottom of it. Okay. Sorry about that. I am back. Phone went a little nutty. My alarm went off. Then we have these tuna squeeze ups. My cats do seem to like these, so I never used them until I got Luna, and then yeah. We have some tiny tiger filled cat treats, catnip flavor. Those are cool. Treats are always good. And then we have this, I think it's like a Halloween candy corn pop-up tent. So I'll set that up, and then maybe I'll show it in another video. Or you can see it in my house tour, which is coming, I'm going to say Friday. So this Friday we'll have a house tour, so I'll show you that in the house tour. Yep, that was our mystery Chewy box and feed box. So yeah, that was our mystery Halloween box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.